Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Nature Restoration Law. Recently, EU Environmental Council has adopted the Nature Restoration Law or NRL, marking a significant step forward in environmental conservation. The Nature Restoration Law aims at not only preserving but also restoring nature. It covers a range of ecosystems including terrestrial, coastal, freshwater, forest, agricultural and urban. Under the law, member states must restore at least 20% of the EU's land and sea areas by 2030. Member states are also required to put in place measures to increase grassland butterflies, the stock of organic carbon in cropland mineral soils, and the share of agricultural land with high diversity landscape features. NRL was first proposed in 2022 by the European Commission under the EU Biodiversity Strategy for 2030, part of the European Green Deal. By 2033, the European Commission will review the application of the regulation and its impacts on the agricultural, fisheries, and forestry sectors, as well as its broader socio-economic effects. Now let's discuss about EU, that is European Union. The European Union is a group of 27 countries that operate as a cohesive economic and political bloc. EU's other green initiatives are European Green Deal and Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism. European Commission is an executive body of the European Union responsible for proposing legislation, implementing decisions, upholding the EU treaties and managing the day-to-day business of the EU. Now is the time for practice question. Which among the following countries is not a member of the European Union? United Kingdom, Germany, France, or Italy? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.